In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the browser console on Google Chrome. If you're interested in troubleshooting website issues, analyzing how a site behaves, or you're a developer looking to debug your code, accessing the browser console is essential. Let's take a walk through this process together. To start, look toward the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. There, you'll see a vertical ellipsis, commonly known as the three-dot menu. Clicking on this is your first step into the world of advanced browser settings. This menu houses a breadth of options, but today, our focus will be on diving deeper into the browser's toolkit. Once you've clicked on the three-dot menu, a drop-down list will appear. From here, hover over More Tools in the menu. You might notice a couple of options that are available under this section, which are incredibly useful for different tasks. However, for today's purpose, we're diving into the developer tools. Simply slide your cursor over and click. Congratulations, you're now venturing into the realm where developers spend a substantial amount of their time. When you open developer tools, you're essentially unlocking a tool chest full of valuable resources. This panel appears usually docked at the right or bottom of your window and may initially seem overwhelming due to the array of tabs and options. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of this newly opened panel. Here, you'll find several tabs, including Elements, Console, Sources, and Network, just to name a few. For our focus today, just click on the Console tab. This is where you can both view and interact with the log of messages recorded by your browser. It's a beautifully dynamic space where you can experiment and see results immediately through scripting, and it's valuable for debugging JavaScript and other browser behaviors. One tip to keep in mind is that if you frequently find yourself needing to access the browser console, you can use a handy keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl+Shift+J on Windows or CMD+Option+J on Mac, and you'll be taken directly to this powerful tool with no need to navigate through menus. Understanding these steps equips you with the ability to better navigate web technologies and troubleshoot with more efficiency. Whether you're optimizing a website or just wanting to learn more about what goes on behind the scenes, the browser console is an invaluable feature. That wraps up our guide today. I hope you find this information helpful as you continue to explore the incredible capabilities of Chrome's development tools. Remember, like anything new, it may seem complex at first, but with time and practice, navigating these tools becomes second nature. Thank you for tuning in, and happy exploring.